Okay, for this one, 618, they want an explicit equation, right? I'm going to make this bigger, right? And explicit equation, we need to find the growth each time, right? So as it goes over 1, it goes up and over, right? 1. So it goes over 1. And it goes from 4, in this case, from 4 to 10. So this is 6. And then we make sure that it's constant, right? So as it goes over 1, it goes from 10 to 16, so it went 6. So the slope is the rise over run, which comes out to be 6. 6 over 1. 6 over 1, slope is 6. So for a linear equation in the form y equals mx plus b, right, we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. So to calculate the y-intercept here, right, I could just follow this down. So I need to go 4, I need to go down 6. That's going to bring me to here, which is -2, right, and then over 1, right. So the 0th term in this case would be, it would intersect this at -2, right? If I drew a line through those points, next it would intersect at -2. So I now know that the slope is 6 and the y-intercept is -2, right? So as an equation of a line, we would write it as 6x minus 2, y equals 6x minus 2. But remember, this is, they're stating it's a sequence, so we write it in t of n notation, right? The reason we write it in t of n notation is because we want to limit the domain to be positive integers, right? So we write it as t of n equals 6n minus 2. And that limits the domain to be, or the values of n to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we left it in this format, then x would be able to be, right, the value for x would be able to be all real numbers, which we don't want for a sequence, right? So we write it in this form for sequences.